Imagine a world where every product you buy contributes to a cleaner, greener planet. On October 3rd, 2024, India took a bold step towards this vision by launching the Ecomark Rule 2024. This landmark initiative targets reducing the environmental footprint of everyday products, particularly plastics, and marks a new chapter in sustainable development. In this video, we will get into what Ecomark is and which all products will fall under it. If you want any help with Ecomark certification and submission of annual compliance reports, contact us. We are a professional organization providing consulting, legal, and advisory services. So, what exactly is Ecomark? Introduced by the Ministry of Environment, Forest, and Climate Change, Ecomark is an eco-labeling initiative that informs consumers about the environmental impact of products. Think of it as a stamp of approval, assuring you that a product meets rigorous environmental standards. Why does Ecomark matter? Ecomark isn't just a label, it's a movement. By promoting sustainable practices, it encourages manufacturers to efficiently utilize resources, minimize waste and harmful emissions, and prioritize recyclable materials and safer alternatives. This initiative aims to curb pollution, conserve energy, and reduce dependence on non-renewable resources, setting the stage for a circular economy. Now, let's look into the conditions for granting Ecomark. To qualify for an Ecomark, a product must first meet specific conditions. It must adhere to bisstandards as per the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 2016. It must comply with the quality control orders issued by the central government. It should fulfill criteria like minimizing pollution, reducing waste, and using recyclable or non-hazardous materials. Additionally, factors like the production process, environmental impact, emissions, and disposal methods are carefully evaluated. Products meeting these stringent conditions are eligible for Ecomark certification. Now, coming to certification process. The road to certification involves several key steps. Manufacturers submit an application to the Central Pollution Control Board in Form 1. Along with relevant documentation, the CPCB or an authorized verifier evaluates the product against Ecomark criteria. A detailed report is prepared within 60 days, leading to certification for products that qualify. Once certified, the Ecomark is valid for 3 years, with manufacturers required to submit annual compliance reports. This ensures the certification maintains its credibility and trust. Now, addressing the non-compliance. To protect the integrity of the Ecomark, strict measures are in place to prevent misrepresentation. If a manufacturer provides false information or conceals details, the CPCB has the authority to suspend or cancel the certification after giving the manufacturer a chance to respond. Now coming to the products covered by Ecomark. The Ecomark covers a broad range of consumer products, including architectural paints and coatings, batteries, cosmetics and electronic goods, food packaging, soaps and detergents, textiles, leather goods, and plastics. The Ecomark Rule 2024 represents more than just a regulation, it's a call to action for businesses and consumers alike. To know more about Ecomark certification, contact us. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such informative content.